What up, what up, what up? So today I figured I would show you guys how I ended up building my awesome little welding table. It was a really good learning process. I'll show you guys the setup and I'll show you guys some of the welds close up so you can see the quality. But yeah, I didn't go all the way in the corners and all that, but where else can I show you? I don't really even know. Ah, there you go. But yeah, really decent welds. It came out pretty decent. This was my third day welding, and I just busted out the old Primeweld that I've been practicing on, and it helped me make one of these bad boys. So this is my TIG. This is the TIG 225X, and this thing is badass, man. Has a lot of functional options, and it does AC and DC. So you can do aluminum, and you can do steel, stainless steel, titanium, all in the same unit. And yeah, these are my argon bottles. I strapped these down properly, but I ran out of gas in this argon bottle, and I ended up using this one. And when I was preparing for D1, I accidentally knocked over the damn bottle that wasn't strapped, and it broke the freaking flow meter. You know where the ball goes? Yeah, the flow meter. It broke the flow meter. So I just got to get a new one of those. And then this one is for my MIG. This is an Argon 7525 mix. And I use the MIG 180. This thing is badass, bro. I used to use the Chicago Electric over there, a little 90 amp. But then I learned about this, and they say you want it to smell like bacon. And yeah, that shit is sizzling. That shit is awesome. There's like a 200 model of that too, 200 amp model, but the 180 amp is more than enough. This is a plasma cutter. I haven't got to use that. They accidentally sent me I ordered the MiG 180, and they accidentally sent me the Cut 60 plasma cutter, and they're just like, yeah, you'll be impressed by it. You could just keep it. And then they ended up just sending me the MiG 180 again. So yeah, pretty badass company, good ass customer service. But yeah, using the foot pedal, and that comes with the CK torch, and I made it into the stubby kit, and I put a little 10 gas lens, glass, all that set up, you want to call it. Nice little mount here. Sorry for the mess, but nice little mount here. They come with these awesome, this is for the 180, but they come with these awesome books, and the 180 actually came with this chart to let you know like what to set it. And when I was welding the exhaust on the S15, I was making the brackets to hold the exhaust up, and I set it to exactly what set on there, and boy, it just laid down the most solid beat I've ever laid down on a MIG welder. So yeah, man, I guess without further ado, we will see the construction of this bad boy. And I got my little low riding chair, my little but yeah, man, I'm really enjoying this whole welding journey. I'm learning a lot. There's so much things that I can create. Anybody who needs a welding table. I originally wanted to make a bigger welding table, but as you can see, this space is just not there yet. So when we do shop expansion and actually move into a shop, I want to build one that's like maybe 8 times the size of this, and have those fabrication holes drilled into here too. This is 9 millimeters thick, so this will be solid for life. A little humidity gets in here when I open the windows. It's like humidity season, so after that passes, I'll clean up those little rust spots I got going on. Those little things. But yeah, it's a solid table. I can bangity bang bang on it, not worry about it bending. solid as fuck. So yeah, man, got a little electrical outlet on it. Got my little clamps down at the bottom. These little things come in handy, as you'll see in the video, but without further ado, let's jump to it. Hope you guys enjoy this. This is from my Primeweld Tig 225X from Japan with love, y'all. Alright, so I'm just laying down some tack welds here. And then we're gonna get ready to lay some solder welds on it. Alright, here I'm grinding down the welds to make them flat so it fits the table nice and flush. I cut these arms and legs at home, so now I'm sanding them nice and flat so they fit nice. So here I'm attaching the support arms. I should have originally tack welded the legs, but I ended up using a ratchet strap to straighten it back out, so it was no big deal. It works fine now.